Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot without using side buttons on Oukitel RT8. First, you can do it by sliding down from the top, then searching for a screenshot here. I can find it here and press on it to take a screenshot. There's also another way how you can do it, and to enable it, go to settings, go down to system, gestures, 3-finger screenshot, and enable it. Now you can take a screenshot anytime by sliding 3 fingers from the top to the bottom of your screen. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.